it's Ashley from Nada Tree Reviews, and today we're gonna unbox a whole bunch of boxes from Derma E. I'm so behind. So anyway, you guys, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that Derma E I have unboxed, reviewed, tried, tested, like so many of their products. This brand is, all right, so let's go through like the list of things that they are. They are fair trade, ethical, sustainable, cruelty-free, vegan, solar wind, they like it's just like if you could put effective skincare and like the most gentle, environmental, gentle on you, clean, like just what a brand. Like they're one of my favorites. I will rep them till the end. I love their stuff. So every month they send me a box. They do send it to me for review. I do have affiliate links. I'm affiliated with them. I will put all those in the description just to let you guys know now before we get into this. And yeah, I do love their products. And then I will do full reviews on my blog of anything I haven't reviewed before. Sometimes I get things that I've already reviewed. What's the point of reviewing it again? It's the same product. But I will kind of tell you then, I can tell you in the video whether I like it or not. Some things are, even if I don't necessarily like it, means it's not for me. Do you know what I mean? Skincare is very specific to certain skin types, and I have a very specific type of skin, just like you have a very specific type of skin. My skin is dry, redness prone. I'm very sensitive. Yeah, so obviously if you have oily skin or you have combo skin, we're not, you know, there may be products that work for you that don't work for me. So just getting that out there too. Anyway, let's just get into all these. I'm going to unbox everything, and then I will link down below to my full review on my blog where we can go in depth and stuff. All right, so I've had these for a while because remember my blog was broken, so everything's kind of sitting around waiting for me. All right, so these I've actually, yay! All right, so these are Ulta exclusives. This is the Derma E Calming CBD line. So these products, I'm so happy to have more. I used all of mine. So first off is this is their the heavy duty moisturizer. I use this at night. What's the percentage? 500 megs of CBD. All right, and this is a 2-ounce container. I will put prices down with the products as well. This product I love. I just think it is fabulous. It doesn't really smell like much. Everything comes in glass so you can recycle it, not plastic. I love that. Less plastic out there in the world. Let's not do that to our only mother. Not our only mother, but you know. All right, so there's that. And then this is the serum that goes along with it. I love this as well. So this also has 500 megs. This is a 2-ounce bottle. I'll read what it says here. Phytocannabinoids, hemp seed oil, calming complex with pycnogenol and aloe vera herbal extracts, okay? So I think they actually have kind of tweaked this because I don't remember it having pycnogenol, but I think this is fantastic. This is a great, like in the day, like a day cream. So for me, I put it under like a face oil. Do you see what I'm saying? But for you, maybe you just use this as a moisturizer. It's enough for most people, but not for me. All right, so it says apply a rich layer onto clean face and neck. Use in the morning and evening alone or in combination with Derma E De-Stress Calming CBD Moisturizer. And then finally in this box, we have their cleanser, which I also like. So same complex. This is 6 ounces with 250 megs. I found that this is a really nice everyday cleanser. I didn't get the same. So with these, what you're going to get is you will get some redness relief. This, I didn't see the same kind of, I didn't feel like I got the same thing. It does have a great, like, the way it goes on, it feels like it's cleaning your skin and it does work. But as far as the calming part, maybe not so much for me. But that's because I have really red skin. I keep saying red. So this is 6 ounces. So, all right, so that's our first box. We're going to move on to our second box. This is the Happy Mother's Day in here. So first, ooh, there's a lot in here. Oh, wow. All right. Oh, I have a lot of these products. All right, this I think is their little compact, isn't it? Yes, it's a little compact. This little bicycle, so cute. I give those to my daughters. They like them. All right, first is their Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. I literally have this on I rotate between this and the Vitamin C Serum for the day. I put this on first, then I put on Kypris, like another serum with some little essences in it. And then I move on to like my moisturizing and eye cream. So this is like one of the first products I use. This one I really like. It does have a light scent, FYI, but it's not anything crazy. I think it's really nice. Kind of, do you remember? It's so crazy. Bath & Body Works Plumeria. It has a scent like that. So this is 2 ounces. I like that. So I love that. I will do it. Next up, we have the Advanced Peptides and Collagen Moisturizer. I don't think I have this. And if I do, I've forgotten. So there it is. Same purple packaging. Very cool. I will definitely try this out. That actually, very much like the CBD, it's the same kind of a formulation, I'm guessing. You know what I mean? Just the ingredients are different. You're going to have collagen and peptides. Collagen, if you're not familiar, is what's used to give your skin like that. I want to say like full, like as you get older, you lose the collagen, you use the fat pads in your skin. And so this, you know, the way it supposedly works is that your skin, you know, takes the collagen and restores the collagen that you've lost. It does give you a very full, youthful look. Anyway, in my experience, I think so. All right. To kind of make it a quick and dirty way of describing it. Do you know what I mean? All right. Finally, we have, actually, that's not finally. There's more. There's a bag in here, too. This is the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Eye Cream. I definitely don't have this. I love eye creams. It's a new thing for me because I'm, like, concerned that I'm looking old. Always, I'm like, ask. I'm like, how old do I look to you? And now my kids know how old I am. I'm like, so there's this is half an ounce. I was like, there's like a -1/2. I'm like, it's half. Not usually it's like 1.5 they put, but all right. So it's a smaller thing. I will put, like I said, prices down below so you can kind of get an idea of what everything costs on their website. And this does have the peptides and collagen. All right, and then there's a bag. So this is, oh, it's a tote. Oh, I love it. So first it says, on this it says clean is beautiful, and there's bicycles, there's the Derma E, the flower, like the lotus. There's some flowers, there's a bunny, it's all very spring. There's lemons, feathers, a Volkswagen bus. It says Derma E down here. Oh my gosh, I love it. I will use it. I'm so excited. And then Proven Clean Beauty. Oh, I love it so much. All right. We're gonna open this last box. All right, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Ready. Happy Mother's Day. Everything just fell out. All right, finally. Let's get it. Okay. I did cut these all open, but I didn't look inside. All right. This is the Derma E Sun Defense Mineral Sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 30, non-nano mineral zinc oxide, vitamin E, and green tea. So it's going to make your skin taut. 100% unscented, dermatologist tested, reef safe. So it's safe for the oceans. This is really cool. Mineral sunscreen, if you're not familiar with, there are 2 types of sunscreen. There is chemical, there is mineral. Mineral is better for you. Chemical, basically your body soaks up these chemicals and then it uses them to push, I don't even know if these are the right words, push the sun away, right? Mineral lays, it's like a barrier. So that's why a lot of times with mineral sunscreen, you will get a white cast. A lot of them, if they're formulated properly, they won't do that, but it does happen. However, you have to think of that as the sunscreen's way of saying, I'm doing my job. And then when you don't see me anymore, it's time to put on more. So if you are going to be out in really sunny weather, at the pool, at the beach, and you're concerned about your skin, you should be concerned about your skin. It's a new thing for me. I haven't cared my whole life, but lately I'm like, we got to be more mindful, Ashley, about our body and everything. So anyway, this puts a barrier between your skin and the sun's rays, and it kind of reflects them. So this is formulated with zinc oxide at 20%. That's actually very good. That's a good percentage. It's a lot. You're not going to get a whole lot of harmful rays with something like this on. Actually, let's open it and kind of test actually, I want to see the package, to be honest. It's a cute package, so there's that. It just fell off. All right. Anyway, whatever. Doesn't matter. All right, let's see. So it does have a very, like, I can see it's got like a, so you see what I'm seeing here, like the white, but you can see, you just have to, no real, a very light scent, but nothing, that's probably not an ingredient, because it does say 100% non-scented, right? Didn't it say that? Unscented, yeah. So this is something, an ingredient. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. Hey, there's no, okay, inactive ingredients. It's probably one of like the flower extracts they use. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that right now. But you see, it did absorb, if you can see, my arm did absorb it. So that's good. All right. All right, next up we have the, Derma E Vitamin C Weightless Moisturizer SPF. I have their vitamin C serum. I have their vitamin C everything, but I don't have this. So this is a skin, for your skin. I'm guessing for your face skin. It's 45 with Robust vitamins B3 and E. Prime and brighten. I actually want to see what this, oh, this is a proper, okay, so let's see how this one rubs in. That one doesn't really smell. It smells like stuff, like products, not like they've scented it with anything special. This is like a heavy dutier one. So this is something you're going to want to put on your face. And then you're going to want to put it under and then kind of put other things on it so it kind of soaks in. Yeah, see, you can probably even see it better on the camera because of the lights are going to bounce it back. You have to rub it in really well. There is a little bit of a cast. But if you are going to the pool or the beach or somewhere where you're going to get heavy duty sun, this is imperative. All right. So anyway, we're going to keep going. All right. Here's what I see. And I didn't know this. I reviewed the Think products on my blog. And I think I've unboxed them on my channel. I had no idea they were a Derma E brand. I thought it was a Target brand. So I actually really like them. So these are 3 of their sunscreens. I have so many sunscreens right now. I'm gonna just start like donating them or something. All right, so first is the Think Sport water resistant up to 80 minutes, broad spectrum UVA, UVB. This is SPF 50. And they use zinc oxide at 20% as well. This is dermatologist recommended, the standard for safe sunscreen. So this is a sport one, so that's water resistant. It won't run into your eyes if you're sweating, which is really nice. This is 3 ounces. All right, then we have an SPF 50 sunscreen, active ingredient. These all have zinc oxide at 20%, SPF 50, FYI. This is the Think Baby. So it's safe for babies, standard for safe sunscreen, water resistant, 80 minutes. I don't know. We're going to, on my blog, we'll look at the difference in the actual formulations. I think when I reviewed these before, though, the formulation was pretty similar. They just had different packages for everything. I do kind of remember that. I'm going to look again and make sure, but I do sort of remember that, FYI. So this one here is the Think Sport for kids. So they're all pretty much the same packages or slightly different. I'll look at the formulations a little later. All right, so final item. This is the Derma E Sun Defense Mineral Oil Free Sunscreen. Mineral Oil Free Sunscreen, SPF 30 for face. All right, so we're going to try this one too. It's that time of year, right? For sunscreen. We're like prime sunscreen. So this is a 2 ounce. This one doesn't have a thing. Oh, it stayed in there. What the heck? What on earth? All right. I'll put it right here. Hey, what are you? Looks like a little allergy bite or something. There's like pollen all over my car. It's crazy. All right. So there it is. That smells like absolutely nothing, which is great. Okay, so this definitely has a drying, these zinc oxide ones have like a drying effect. So that is something to think about. But look, this one was absorbed pretty well. You don't really see a whole lot of white. I think this one had a little more white to it. That one was had way more SPF, I believe. It was 45 compared to 30. So there's that. But I think I tend to like this one a little more. Personally, it could be the difference in where I put it on too. Anyway, so these are all the products that I received in my boxes from Derma E. I will review almost all, I mean, everything from this box I'll be reviewing because I haven't tried it. I will check these. If I review these and they're the exact same formulation, if it changed though, I'll re-review them, kind of go over the differences in the product. And I think everything in the other boxes except for the eye cream and the peptide overnight, the moisturizer, the deep moisturizer. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next time.